with another live video, and it's titled Take Emotions Out of It and There's Lots of Money to Be Made. What do I mean by that? Well, obviously emotions are running high, especially in the political world, and we saw what happened yesterday, which is a complete embarrassment of our country. I think we all can agree it, but we have to look that this has been taking place for pretty much 6 to 8 months. Riots and law enforcement officials getting killed, and the back and forths. But when you take the emotions out, right, and that's why so many people listen to me, they listen to my podcast, Wall Street Unplugged, is to find out the best ways to make money off it. Because when you just take the emotions out of it, you could really see a clear picture of what's going on. It's always hard. Even the best traders in the world say, I don't use emotion. Everyone gets emotional. Even if it's, a trade that you only made a little bit of money on. You had options on Tesla and you sold out too quick, and, that 10,000 could have been 300,000. So there's always emotions involved. I know it's hard. We all get emotional, and that's coming from someone who's a 25-year plus vet. But taking out the emotions and forgetting about politics just for a second. I mean, the only positive about what happened yesterday is we're not talking about COVID and lockdowns and everyone should stay home because they're going to die, right? That's the one good thing about it. But when we look at the current market conditions, where the market is ripe to go higher, I mean, this move is going to continue. You're looking at another $2 trillion in stimulus coming, with 6.5 to 7.5 trillion already. Trillions, guys, trillions, right? I mean, we're looking at TARP. TARP was turned out to be 480 billion. This is through the stratosphere now, so it's crazy. Rates are going to stay at zero short term forever. There's people think that we may raise rates quicker into 2023 now, because now that we have a blue wave, we have all these emotions and everything going on right now. But again, aside from the emotions, when you're looking at the blue wave, they think that all this stimulus is going to come right away, and they're right. We're going to have this stimulus package passed right away now that we had the blue wave. COVID easing, right? It's going to ease going forward. Might get a little bad for a week or two, but we have vaccines, not just current vaccines from Moderna and Pfizer. We have vaccines that are coming out from J&J, AstraZeneca, that target different things, not just proteins and stuff in the immune system. So really good news on that front. And all of this supports one group tremendously, and that's cyclicals, right? And cyclicals still have underperformed. What is cyclicals? Cyclicals are companies that are usually good when the economy does good, does bad when the economy does bad. We're going to see a massive reflation trade. We're going to see so much money getting thrown into the system. What is that good for? Two things that I said: Bitcoin and gold. Been telling you to buy both of them for 4 years. Bitcoin 40,000 today, unbelievable. But if you're looking at these cycles that are going to bounce back, especially as the economy opens, and the amount of money that's going into individuals and what they're going to be able to spend, it really is incredible. I mean, you're looking at banks. If you want banks, you have Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan, a large cap front. You're looking at infrastructure companies like Summit is one of the ones we have in our portfolio, doing very, 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 very well. Vulcan, Marietta is another one. If you're looking at casinos, MGM, I like IGT as a play because they just took a big stake in MGM. But look at the casinos. The casinos are going to open up. People are dying to go out. You're looking at hotels. For me, we recommended two. I still like them tremendously. We're up a lot. We were on this trade for a while. Red Rock Resorts was one in the casino area, but just a regular hotel, not Hilton, but Hilton Grand Vacations, which we're up a ton on, because people are dying to go out. But if you know it's tough, nobody's condoning this. You're going to see a lot of fingers being pointed both ways. I don't see this ending anytime soon. There's still, the unity thing is funny, how it's not going to happen, but you have to just take a step back. What's the most important thing to you? Our politicians don't care about us, right? If they did, they would have passed the stimulus package a long time ago. You should be caring about your family, generational wealth. If you're looking at that, please listen to this, because it just highlighted so many factors, so many positive factors in this market, where we're keeping interest rates low, we're going to keep them low forever, for a very, very long time. You have so much stimulus money coming into this market, the reflation trade, COVID, that risk dying down. All of those factors tie into much, much, much higher price, and the best place to go right now is cyclicals. You should be positioned some of your portfolio in that, as well as Bitcoin and gold, and a lot of these names can already be found across our newsletters. Questions and comments, feel free to email me, frankcurzioresearch.com. Be sure to check out our Curzio Research YouTube page. Videos, great, awesome, getting a lot of positive feedback, and as always, I'll report back to you guys soon. Take care.